Hi pioneers! The official Pi network attaches great importance to the China main network launch plan, in order to ensure that the main network in the China region can be launched as scheduled on 2024. Pi network has specially launched the China certification plan, aiming to encourage users to actively participate and provide support. Although we are aware of the current difficulties, after discussions among the core members of the Pi official team, we have decided to launch a Pi node gift program starting today. According to this program, pioneers certified on the China main network will receive Pi nodes as gifts. Each authenticated account will receive a node as a reward, in the hope of motivating more pioneers to actively participate in the activity. This event will give Pioneer 3,000 nodes as gifts to support the launch of China's main network. Nodes are the fourth role in the Pi ecosystem, running on laptops and desktops rather than mobile phones. Similar to other blockchains, Pi nodes will be responsible for verifying transactions on distributed ledgers and solving the challenge of maintaining distributed currencies by having all nodes reach a consensus on the order of new transactions being recorded. Unlike nodes that use workload proofs, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, Pi nodes use different consensus algorithms based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol. In SCP, nodes form trusted groups and only agree to transactions agreed upon by these trusted nodes. The security circles from Pi mobile miners are aggregated into a global trust graph, enabling Pi nodes to form arbitration slices to determine who can and cannot verify transactions on shared ledgers. Unlike most other encryption projects, Pi node will continue to follow a user-centric design philosophy. No need for deep technical knowledge to set up nodes. Ordinary people can achieve this by installing desktop applications on their computers. Through this computer application, pioneers can turn on or off node software, making their devices available or unavailable as nodes. Pi will continue to adhere to a progressive decentralization approach when developing its testing network. During the initial testing network, Pi's node software blockchain components will have a centralized layer to achieve faster iteration of scenario stress testing and adjustment of consensus algorithms to meet the needs of Pi network and its global community. The initial version of this node is the first step in building a Pi test network and ultimately establishing a fully decentralized main network. This version of the node includes two interfaces, the node interface and the desktop Pi app interface. According to the participation levels defined in the following sections, pioneers can use these two interfaces accordingly. Each pioneer can also apply to become a node through the node interface and install blockchain components there. A node refers to a pioneer accessing the node interface, completing necessary technical preparation work according to instructions, and opening or closing the node interface after being selected as a node, so that its computer can run blockchain components. Although they do not participate in consensus, they verify the effectiveness of the blockchain and submit transactions to record on the blockchain. In the future, as Pi's blockchain expands beyond just protecting the ledger, nodes will expand to include computers that choose to contribute to the collective hardware resources of the network, such as computing, storage, and bandwidth. Supernodes are the backbone of Pi blockchain. In addition to all the responsibilities performed by the nodes, they are also responsible for reaching consensus based on the algorithm and writing the correct transactions in the Pi ledger. They are also responsible for ensuring that other supernodes and nodes obtain the latest status of the blockchain. Supernodes also utilize node interfaces, initially selected by the core team. They need 24/7 connectivity to the network and a reliable internet connection. Pi Network sincerely looks forward to the cooperation and support of Pioneer, working together to promote the smooth launch of the main network in China within the expected time, and providing better services for Pioneer. We wish the China a smooth launch on the Mainneton 2024.